In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a support ticket on eBay, perfect for beginners who are navigating through the platform. Whether you're new to eBay or just need a bit of guidance in resolving an issue, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through opening a support ticket effectively. Understanding this process is crucial, especially when you encounter something that requires customer support intervention. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by heading to eBay's Help Center. You can easily find this by opening your browser and searching for eBay Help Center, or by navigating directly from the eBay homepage. Once you're there, you'll be presented with various topics and categories related to common questions and issues. The Help Center is your gateway to resolving your concerns, so getting familiar with it is a great first step. Next, it's time to select the issue that you're experiencing. eBay provides a comprehensive list of topics, so take a moment to scan through the options and locate the one that best fits your situation. This step is crucial because selecting the correct issue will ensure that you get the most accurate and relevant support from eBay. If you're unsure which category to choose, try to think about what aspect of your eBay experience is impacted, whether it's buying, selling, payments, or another area. Once you've zeroed in on the issue, you'll then want to proceed by clicking on Contact Us, which typically appears at the bottom or side of the page. Selecting this option will direct you to a screen that gives you different methods for reaching out to eBay's customer service team. You'll see choices like Chat with Us, Call Us, and Email Us. For the purposes of this guide, we're going to focus on the email route, as it allows you to provide all details necessary at your own pace. After choosing to contact via email, you will be prompted to submit detailed information about your issue. This is your opportunity to clearly explain what problem you're facing. Be thorough in detailing your concern, including any relevant transaction IDs, item numbers, or screenshots that might help the support team assist you better. Providing as much detail as possible helps in more efficient problem solving. Once you've entered all necessary information, proceed to submit your ticket. And there you have it. You've successfully opened a support ticket on eBay. Remember, the key to a swift resolution lies in providing accurate and complete information. So always take the time to elaborate on the issue you're facing. Make sure to check your email regularly for any updates or follow-up questions from eBay's support team. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process a little less daunting for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.